Okay, today we're going to do a cabin air filter replacement on a NISSAN NAVARA NP300 2020 model. These are our 3-layer carbon filters. The cabin air filter is located behind the glove box, and to reach the filter just lift up on the glove box when it's open, and they unclip off of the half hinge on the bottom of the glove box, which then locates on here. You can also squeeze in on the sides to dislocate from these pins, but on the Navara the plastic is fairly stiff, so it's hard to get the glove box to pull in. You can also push up on the back of the glove box to pull the pins in, but again the plastic's pretty hard on these and they don't unlock. Cabin air filter is then located behind this cover, and to unclip the cover just push in on the small plastic tags on either side until the cover comes off, and they just clip on either side. So just carefully remove your filter, because we get leaves on top of the filters and you don't want them to fall into the fan below. Slide in your new cabin air filter with the red acrylic base on the bottom. Just gently slide it all the way in. Then reattach your cover. Just make sure that it's clicked. Reinstall your glove box. And the easiest way to reinstall is to locate the two pins on either side of the glove box inside of these cutouts on both sides, and then feel down the bottom until the half hinge locates. So, close your glove box and the job's done.